All right, we got the new Scruff A Luvs toy, and the girls are gonna open theirs. Abby got a blue one, and Haley got a pink one. So go ahead and open your boxes. We've seen this on, excuse me, we've seen this on Instagram. It's a toy that you have to get wet to reveal if it is a rabbit or a kitten or a puppy. I've seen it on Instagram. It's really adorable. Scissors. Are you wanting a dog?
Yes.
I want a rabbit. I hope I get a rabbit. So the girls are going to do theirs first, and then they're going to do one for me.
I think I got a bunny.
Oh my god. So yeah, it's just like, oh my gosh. Does it smell?
No, it doesn't smell.
Hold it up. It's just like this big ball of...
I think I got a bunny.
Alright, is there instructions inside that says what to do?
I have a certificate of adoption.
Oh, that's cute. That's like Couch Patch Kids when there was a certificate. I think your mom
says number 1 is wash.
Wash. Okay, so drop it in the water. Maybe push it down around. Does it feel like there's something like around it, like keeping it in a ball?
No, it's definitely getting it done. I can see that. I can feel the fruit.
That is so cool. Okay, I see it's expanding.
There's a bow, a brush.
Alright, Haley's having difficulty opening her box. Oh, hers is so cute. And a collar.
Hers is a bunny. It's scary.
You don't know that it's a bunny.
You can see the ears. Either a cat or bunny.
Oh my god, you can see the ears. I might trade you because I want the bunny. Alright, put it in your bottle.
I'll do yours.
I'll open yours. Wait, yours looks like it has bunny ears too.
Yeah, I know, it's a bunny.
I thought they'd smell like cotton candy.
Does it smell? Okay, so now...
Wait, it just floats.
I think you need to push it around or something. It's supposed to like expand or something.
How long is it supposed to take?
Alright, it's supposed to be an easy toy, Abby. Can you figure it out?
I don't know how long it's supposed to take.
Let's see. Alright, it's a little more difficult than we thought. Here, let me see.
Start peeling it.
Okay, there you go. Peel it apart.
You're supposed to wash in an ice bath to wash out its matted fur. Wash in a sink or large bowl of lukewarm water, and once washed, rinse off in clean water at least once.
Well, we just put
That's fine. That's fine.
What were we supposed to put in it?
That's adorable.
What were we supposed to put in it?
That's fine. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
that's scary.
It is a little scary.
I think it's because I'm just going to remove its fur then.
Yeah, you can like brush it. So you got it to come apart.
What were we supposed to put in? Mom, what were we supposed to put in it?
No, it was lukewarm water. It's
You're
fine.
supposed to dry it with a towel and then a blow dryer.
Uh-oh.
Should I go get
Really?
the blow dryer?
You don't have to do it.
Oh my god, it does look like a rabbit. Look at that. It looks like a very sad, depressed rabbit.
So we both got rabbits.
They both got rabbits.
Oh, this is...
And then you
But
dry it and brush out
Here,
its
while
hair.
yours is drying, open this one. Let's see what this one looks like. So that one is mine. If we all got rabbits, that's gonna be weird. It looks like a well-loved pet.
If you get a dog...
You can trade me.
I almost cut myself.
I'm happy with a rabbit.
The thing is, I want a blue dog.
Oh, well then, I guess you get to keep your rabbit. It is adorable. The pink one is adorable.
Like this?
We still have to dry it and then brush his hair.
I think that's the point, that it looks like matted, and then once you take care of it and groom it, it looks better.
Oh, okay.
So there
Yes, you're taking care of it.
I don't think you got a rabbit. I don't know what you got.
Abby's having difficulty opening that box too. So it wasn't just Haley.
I cut the box.
Don't ruin my box.
Look, I got its nose out kind of now.
I cut the box. Who cares?
It's fine.
Abby's nose is right there.
We need to cut the box. This is going to work out.
Oh, there's its tail.
You got Kige.
Okay. Oh yeah, I think you're right.
Can I go get a
So
blow
look-
dryer? I want it to look
That's
nice.
cute.
Yeah,
They come
you
with
can
a collar.
Plug it in over there.
Certificates. All right. So yeah, I would definitely think it's a kitten. You can
Hey,
tell
look,
by the
half the
ears.
water's gone.
It soaks up that water. Is it a kitten? Is it a kitten?
Yeah, look at the ears.
They are small.
You need more water?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead. Pour some water on it. See if it helps.
Pink or blue?
So wait, where's the face at? Oh my god, so it's like back on itself. That's kind of
Haley, which one's yours? Pink or blue?
pink.
That's really cute.
It is very cute. I don't know how they got it to stay in like such a small ball.
It's called science.
It's called science. Is that what you think it is? I thought it would be like, had like some kind of string around it, but it wasn't. It was just in a compact ball. Uh-oh. Hair dryer going
Get
on.
some of the excess water out.
Oh, I like Holly holding her dog and trying to dry. That's really wrong. See, her dog is spoiled. She doesn't want to be sit down, so we have to hold her. She's like, what's going on, Mom? That was very funny. Alright, they are adorable. So yeah, do what your mom was doing and like squeeze out the extra water, because otherwise it's going to take forever to dry. Yeah, just squeeze it onto the blanket. Oh look, it's got a little kitten tail. Alright,
I don't think bunnies have these tails, but okay.
No, I think, yeah.
Both of them.
Alright, this is going to take a little bit to dry. We will come back. Haley's drying hers. They are adorable. Let's see if we can beautify them, because right now they're looking a little scraggly. Very wet. Alright, here are our Scruff A Luvs. So we ended up actually having to rinse them a second time because as we were hair drying them, we noticed our hands were really sticky. So there's some kind of sticky stuff they used to make them stay in a ball.
Really?
So we had to rinse them twice, and then they had a tip in it to put it in the spin cycle in your washer so it would spin out all the water, and we did that, and they are pretty much dry, and they're still looking a little scruffy. So
You
as you can
realize
see,
that it's not a bunny though, it's a dog.
yeah, this is not a bunny, this is a dog.
Bunnies
Abby
are
was
limited
wrong.
edition.
Abby said it was a bunny, she's wrong, it's a dog. Anyway, we're obviously not beauticians because our animals still look very, very scruffy. This is Holly brushing.
This is a thorough brush out.
This is a thorough brush out, and it still looks pretty bad.
It does not look like what that girl has right
Yeah,
there.
she's much better at
Yeah, I think.
beautician stuff than we are. So yeah, they're definitely.
I mean, look.
It looks terrible.
Are you sure that? I mean, look at this. Does that look like that?
Does that look like a dog?
Yeah, no.
No,
No.
no. It's not even standing up. Again, we got duped.
They're cute.
They are cute.
But they're gonna stay. They're gonna stay looking scruffy.
Yeah, I don't know what we did wrong.
We didn't do anything wrong. I just.
False advertising.
We're just not a beautician people. We're just.
I'm a beauty.
It's only slightly damp. It's brushing it out still should look pretty, but they're still cute. But they don't. I don't know. They're still cute. But
They're gonna look scruffy.
They look a little. Yeah. All right. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and I will see you later.